Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Timique Skin Glow. Thank you for stopping by. Happy New Year, everyone. I wish you a very prosperous 2023. All right, of course, you know Timique Skin Glow channel. This channel is all about skincare. Here we do simple DIYs. I share tips with you, tips you will not get online. Top secret in skincare you will not see on Google. You get them here on this channel. So this is where we do simple DIYs, product review, and then tips, of course, to help you achieve that beautiful glowing skin. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Click on the notification bell. If you don't click on the notification bell, you wouldn't know when I upload a new video. So please click on the notification bell. And to existing subscribers, thank you for supporting this channel. I truly, truly appreciate every one of you. So this video, I will share with you a simple recipe you can do at home. This is not something that is so difficult to do. It's easy to do and the recipes are cheap. The ingredients are not difficult to get. So for this recipe, we'll be needing just butter, your body butter. You can use mango butter, you can use shea butter, you can use cocoa butter, you can use any butter of your choice. And you can as well combine these body butters, okay? Now, um, this is it. Let me start by measuring out what I need. So for those of you that don't know how to do the percentage conversion thing, you don't have to dissolve your butter and your powders, you don't know how to use sepia white because it deep in your um, formulation, all of that. In fact, this recipe is beginner friendly. You just need your butter and then you need your serum. So for this recipe, basically, we'll be making use of this serum. You just need one of this. If you cannot get this tier 2 serum, this is it. You can go for Citroclear serum. They are both product of the same company, okay? The difference is this Citroclear is made of lemon extract, okay? This is made of lemon extract. Why this here is made of shea butter. You can see shea butter extract, and here it's made of lemon extract, okay? So what it says is use daily on persistent brown stain. So these oils, they're good, these serums, they're good for brown stain. They help to lighten dark knuckle, dark neck, dark knees, and dark elbows, okay? You can see it here. It's the same thing here as well. You can see the company that produced this Tiato shea butter serum. It's the same company that produced the Citroclear lemon. So if you're the type that don't really like lemon, then you can go for this. This one comes in this pack like this. Okay. So butter is very good for the skin. If you are into skincare, or even if you are not into skincare, you must have heard about shea butter. Shea butter is the most popular butter in skincare. But in this video, I'm making use of mango butter because that's what I have available. I've exhausted my shea butter and I'm making this video now, so I just have to do this. I have to use mango butter for you. If you cannot get the mango butter, get shea butter, okay? I think shea butter is the cheapest you can get in the market. It's cheaper than mango butter, cheaper than cocoa butter. This is my cocoa butter, but I don't want to use it because I want to make use of this, I'll have to go through the process of dissolving it in a double boiler, and I'm not ready for that. So I'm doing this recipe. You don't have to dissolve your butter. You whether you're using your shea butter or your mango butter, you don't have, it's not necessary. You don't really need to dissolve it. That's why I said this recipe is beginners friendly. It's good for light skin. You know, some of you, you say, shea butter darkens the skin. If you apply only shea butter on your skin and you're light skin, it will darken you. But if you don't want to darken you, then watch this video to the end so you see what the only item you will mix in it that will lighten you and maintain your skin. If you want to moisturize your skin, you need a good moisturizer. This recipe is what you should do. If you're taking a break from skin whitening, okay, you just want to skin build, maybe regular routine where you have to skin build in the month, then this recipe is what you should do. Now, we know shea butter is very good for the skin. Mango butter, cocoa butter, any butter you're using is good. It helps for um, to boost moisture in the skin. That's one basic thing butter does for the skin. Okay, it shea butter has anti-inflammatory property. It helps to boost skin moisture. It has a soothing property. It helps to heal cut, scars, especially fresh cut. Shea butter helps to take care of that, and it's also rich in antioxidant and anti-aging. In fact, all the butter has anti-aging and antioxidant property. Shea butter is a very popular skincare ingredient used in formulation of almost all skincare products. It's used in formulation of body cream, body lotion, your soap, scrub, and even some oils. They have shea butter in them. Okay, so you can see the importance of shea butter. Why shea butter is so popular is because it's cheaper compared to this mango butter and cocoa butter and the other butters in the market. Now, if we're talking about cocoa butter is another popular one too. This is my cocoa butter. Okay, this is it. This is my cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is very good for the skin, and it has similar benefit like the shea butter I just talked about. Cocoa butter is a type of fat that comes from cocoa beans. Now, one common use of cocoa butter is that it helps to soothe the skin. That's one common property of cocoa butter. It helps to smoothen the skin, get rid of wrinkles and marks on the skin. That's why most women believe that's why most women use cocoa butter during and after pregnancy, because they believe it helps to prevent and minimize the appearance of stretch mark. If you see your most stretch mark product, they have cocoa butter in them. And then the butter I'll be using for today's recipe is my mango butter. This is what it looks like. This is raw mango butter. Okay, I've not missed anything here at all. You can see I labeled it. Okay, it's my mango butter. So mango butter, just like the shea butter and cocoa butter I talked about, is an effective moisturizer. They are all moisturizer, and it helps to smoothen the skin. This butter is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E. Of course, it helps to hydrate the skin, prevent sign of aging, and help for skin firm. That's why I said these butters, they have one common feature or benefit is that they have anti-aging and anti-inflammatory property. So for simple recipe, what you need is for skincare formulator, the percentage usage rate you should use for this my recipe is 80% for your butter, and then whether you're using this or this, you don't need the two, you need just one. So use this or you use this. For lightening effect especially, use this lemon extra. This is your clear oil. You need 20 percent. The usage rate is 20 of this, and usage rate of this butter is 80. So I want to make a 200-gram batch size. I hope you can see the scale. For my 200 batch size, I'll be needing 160 grams of mango butter, since I'm going by 80 percent usage rate. So I need just 160 grams of this. What I have, there's 44. And one good thing I like about this mango butter is it smells nice. It's just okay. Unlike shea butter, when you apply shea butter, you pass by someone, they will just easily know that I rubbed shea butter. But the shea butter, if you want to use shea butter, but you don't want that smell, then I advise you to go for the refined shea butter. The refined shea butter does not smell, has that strong smell like the unrefined shea butter. What I have there now is 133. I told you I need 166 grams. I told you I need 160 grams, sorry. So now it's 159. This is my 160 grams. So you can see it's 160 grams. I have to clean the excess part. So if you don't have electronic mixer, that's why I said this is a beginner's friendly recipe. If you don't have the electronic mixer, what you just need is your spoon, your bowl, make sure it's sterilized, and of course your oil. Because this is a skin building butter, it's a lightening butter. I would like to use the Tiato. I love this Tiato serum because of the shea butter extract in it. Okay, so I'm going to open this. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, support the skincare channel, be part of our skincare family. Click on the subscribe button. So now you can see it's at 0. I told you I need 20% of this. I'm using 80% of shea butter and 20% of my serum. So what I need now is, because I'm making a 200 batch side, I need 40 ml of this. So we're just gonna stir. Okay, let's get it up to 39. This is 40. You see, now this is all I need. This recipe is gonna lighten. This recipe is going to lighten you. It's going to build your skin, repair your skin. If you have grain vein, you can use this recipe. Okay, if your skin is thin, you want to build your skin up, you need this recipe. So I'm just going to stir this together. Just going to stir together. Oh. So I'm sorry about that. All you have to do is just mix, because you're not using a mixer, electronic mixer. You really have to mix very well with whatever you'll be using, your spoon or your spatula, till the serum incorporates. Okay, so all you have to do is just mix everything together till they are well incorporated. Okay, if you have an electronic mixer, you just use it at once to save the stress. But I'm doing this for persons who don't have electronic mixer to work with. This is a butter that would lighten you. Okay, it will repair your skin, repair thin skin. Okay, it helps to also improve the, because of the vitamin C in it. I told you mango butter is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin E. It also has anti-aging properties, so to an extent it helps to build the collagen and elastin of your skin. So you just stir till everything is well incorporated. I hope you can see it well. It's so easy. You don't need the double boiler method. So if you are into skincare business, you need your customers are requesting for a body butter that will just lighten them. This recipe is what you can use. I told you to know whiten. If you want to enhance the lightening effect, that's where you dissolve the butter, you dissolve your sepi white, dissolve your kojic dip. Remember those powder have usage rate, and then you add it to the butter. You know this butter is oil base, so you cannot use water soluble powders here. Okay, but if you incorporate water soluble powders at all, you have to put a preservative. With this one, you don't need preservative. Just apply morning and night. This powder can be used during the daytime and also at night. You can see our butter, body butter is here. So instead of just using your shea butter, instead of applying your shea butter directly and you say, oh, this butter is making me dark, why not mix your shea butter this way and then just add either of this serum, add this, or this. Please do not combine both. You can combine your butters. You know, I told you the usage rate for this butter in this recipe is so, and since we're using 80% of butter, you can combine your butters together. You can use only shea butter or only mango butter or only cocoa butter. You can as well combine them. You can combine, since you're using 80% of butter, you can use 20% shea butter, 20% cocoa butter, and then you use the other 40% mango butter, or you use 30% shea butter, 30% mango butter, and then the other 20% cocoa butter. But do not combine these two together. Use either of these or this. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you've learned something today. I hope it's interesting. This recipe is very simple and it's effective. Okay, use it and come back and thank me. So in my next video, I will be talking about this dope shampoo. We have two dope shampoo here. One is fake and one is original. How do you identify both? How do you identify the fake and the original? Remember, if you want effective product, you need original recipes. You need original ingredients. So if you are not working with original ingredients, then you cannot get the best out of that production. You cannot get the best out of that recipe. Watch my next video to know the difference, to be able to spot the original. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Drop a comment in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.